Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted Google contacts. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open any browser and search here Google Contacts. Then you need to open first website Google Contacts. And here you can see that I only have one contact. Then you simply need to click on that. And then you need to click on three dots and click on delete, and then you need to delete. So how you can recover that? You simply need to click on settings icon, and then you need to click on undo change and select the time. So I'm going to select 1 hour ago, and then you need to click on undo change, and now it is working. And here you can see that it may take some time for this change to show up on your device, and in few minutes you will find your contact here. So by following these steps you can easily restore Google Contacts. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.